Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Janet here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this super easy Christmas centerpiece for your dining table. Let's quickly go through stuff that we'll need. I'm getting the holiday look with a bronze colored tin can and some pine branches. Remember to bend them before use so they look more natural. And some dusty millers for the wintry look. Some red berries to add color. And of course, real pine cones, which I've wired and taped on wire stems. And I'm using some golden ribbon balls as an alternative to Christmas ornaments. I'm using white garden roses as the focal flowers and spray roses as the filler. And some wire stems to hold my pine cones and ribbon balls, floral wires, wire cutting pliers, and floral tape. And you might have noticed I haven't mentioned floral foam because we don't need it. First, we are making a base with the pine branches, spacing out evenly like the shape of a 5-point star, crisscrossing, forming a very firm base. Notice my left hand keeps turning the tin can to help the branches overlap each other in a spiral. This will determine the total width of your arrangement. Then I add some dusty millers to the base. I tuck them inside the crisscross in the shape of the big letter Y. It's time to add our focal flowers. Again, I tuck them in the crisscross, spacing out evenly like the shape of the big letter Y. Then I add some red berries in the same manner. Remember to keep turning your container. If you've done the crisscrossing correctly, the stems should be able to hold in their positions even if you shake the container. Then I add some pine cones in between the stems. And let's add some more pine branches. This time I would like to trim them a little bit shorter than the ones already in the container. Another layer of dusty millers. And we are almost getting there. I pop a garden rose bang in the center and fill the gaps with spray roses. And I carry on filling the gaps with more berries. Remember to look out for gaps on the sides as well. And more spray roses. And finally, I will finish off with some ribbon balls. Personally, I find adding in ornaments in metallic colors would instantly spruce up your arrangement, giving out holiday vibes. I hope you like this simple floral arrangement method that I've shown you in this video. All you need to do is to space out your stems in odd numbers evenly and keep turning your container to help forming that firm crisscross base in the center. You can easily make quick arrangements using this method for any time of the year with different flowers. Comment below and let me know if you would try this method. And if you want more Christmassy vibes, check out my next video, which I will show you how to make a mini floral Christmas tree super fast. Click the link on the right and I will see you there.